Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely looking Jaguar XC Prestige. It's in lovely condition, good specification, front park distance control, alloy wheels, gleaming silver metallic, rear park distance control, twin exhausts, got a camera, boot area is in lovely condition, full black leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, Meridian hi-fi system. There you go. Seats are in excellent condition. It's only done 83,492 miles, low mileage for 65 reg. Starts up lovely. Sounds great. So we've got lane assist, we've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox, fully automatic, different driving modes and styles, satellite navigation, reverse camera, 3-stage heated seats. Won't put them on today, it's too hot. The aircon is blowing ice cold as well. Really is in lovely condition. We've got Bluetooth phone prep as well, climate control, full media pack. It's all in there, AUX and USB. It's a nice place to be. Right, it looks lovely and comfortable in here. DJH, lots of full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.